MailKing allows you to send email campaigns and mail merge using Gmail. Start by clicking New Campaign. Name your email campaign. You can enter email addresses manually or mail merge with data from a CSV or spreadsheet. Choose from our pre-designed HTML template library or import from MailChimp. Edit the template to fit your needs. You can use merge tags to add customer name, and a Book Me link. Click here to preview your email. When you're finished editing your email, hit Send. Here you can track unlimited opens and clicks. Emails are sent from your Gmail account, guaranteeing higher open rates. MailKing is great for salespeople, efficiency-minded people, small businesses, customer service reps, and marketers. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.